welcome back to Gratefully Vegan. I'm Padma and today we are making vegan pesto. To start off with the recipe, we are going to need a couple of ingredients that you can see here. I simply love making vegan pesto because it's so easy and simple to make. We are going to use only 5 ingredients and it's done in just 5 minutes. You can use pesto in multiple ways. I love toasting some fresh bread and then adding pesto on top and garnishing it with beautiful cherry tomatoes. You can also add it in your pasta. We are going to start by adding all our ingredients inside of the food processor. I will recommend you to use a small food processor or a blender or a coffee grinder. That can also work. So I'm going to remove everything. And first I'm going to add our oil. So we have half a cup of oil, our pine nuts, 50 grams of basil, we're going to also add some garlic. I usually like to add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Next we are going to cut our garlic. You don't have to cut it too thin because we are going to blend it either way. Just now add your garlic. And the last thing that we are going to add is our salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Next we are about to blend it. If you want, you can also add nutritional yeast. I prefer to add it. Some people don't like the taste, but some people do, so this is kind of like our replacement of Parmesan cheese. So this is an optional ingredient. This will taste amazing even without it. Now let's transfer our delicious pesto inside of this bowl. Next we are going to cut some delicious ciabatta bread. It's time to try our delicious vegan pesto. Guys, this is so full of flavor, so delicious. I highly recommend you to try it. It's so easy to make and it can stay in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, and if you would like to get notified every time I post a new video, hit the bell button. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Be happy and be grateful. See you next week. Mmm.